It's another day in paradise, and we're here with our beautiful customer, Miss Charlene, who's going to tell us a little bit about her experience and how we helped turn her home into a paradise home. So please share with us, how was your overall process and experience?
Oh, it was awesome. It was smooth. The communication was great. I purchased my windows, and the presentation was amazing. They went step by step through everything. I understood everything. Being a woman, typically I'm like, what? But they were very clear on the steps that would take place. The communication was great every step of the way. If things were held up, they reached out. So it was awesome, and it was
fantastic. Easy. That's amazing. What are you most excited about the products we've offered you?
So my windows, beautiful. When I first bought the house not too long ago, I was worried about being, again, a single woman and having to put up boards and things like that. And I called and I'm like, what am I supposed to do during a hurricane? They were like, what do you do on a regular day? Just lock up the windows and relax. And so that was huge for me. The energy saving on my bills, that's important to me, being a new home, purchasing a new home. Wanting to keep, everything where I can afford it. Didn't want to put new windows and then have to sell my house because I couldn't afford it. So that was key for me as well.
Good afternoon, I'm Aaron with Ygrene. What's great about Ygrene is we're able to help thousands of homeowners afford these more expensive home improvements like roofing, windows, and doors, just like Miss Charlene here. Ygrene is simply a finance company that administers a city-county program called PACE Financing. PACE, P-A-C-E, stands for Property Assessed Clean Energy. You're able to use this financing only on things that make more energy efficient or hurricane protected. We offer extended payback periods, which in turn offers homeowners a very affordable monthly obligation. And the process is simple. You're often able to get approved in a matter of minutes. So what was it about Ygrene that attracted you to our financing?
So can I say the affordability?
Affordability.
That was, and how easy it was to get approved. Right there during the presentation with the company that I went with the windows, right there I was able to get my approval. Paperwork was sent to me, and then we spoke to an agent that was very clear and available to answer the questions that I needed, and that was important to me.
So affordability and ease of process.
Definitely.
A simple process.
Definitely.
Very good. Well, we're happy that you're getting your projects done, and we're happy that Ygrene was able to help you.
I appreciate it.